Hello everyone, welcome to Prathama Institute Care once again. We all see Nifty is 200 point off, Nifty is 18,000, Sensex is at 60,000, Sensex rose 3%, Sensex up by 3%, Sensex down by 3%, Nifty down by 3%. Where from these values are coming in? That should be our question, because when we are an intraday trader or we are an investor, we always see at the index value or indices value, Dow Jones, SGX. So there are number of indices, benchmark indices at which we are looking before the investment. So where from these values are coming, that is very much important, and how these values are getting calculated, that is also important. While we are investing our money, we are putting our money in a particular stock or particular portfolio, whatever it is. So today we'll learn how to calculate, how these indices are getting calculated. So let us go through the video. And if you like the video, like the lecture, please support us by subscribing, by liking, by sharing the video. So let us go through the video quickly. There are number of stock exchanges. Maximum trades happens at BSE and NSE. The index of BSE called Sensex, the index of NSE called Nifty. And today we'll learn how the points of indices are getting calculated. So here, when I recorded this video on that particular day, that is on 25th of October, the Nifty was closed at 18,125 points. And the next day, that means 26th October, 9:54 a.m., just after 30 minutes of opening of the market, it rose 129 points, 18,254.80 पे आ गया. Where from these points are getting calculated and how these points are getting raised or getting declined? For that reason, we have to know the little bit history of Nifty. How these points are getting calculated? This method is called free float market capitalization method. Remember, this method is called free float market capitalization method. And we all know Nifty has 50 companies. There are a number of companies, but we take only 50 best companies which are registered at NSE. And how those best 50 companies are getting chosen, that is been picked by the sectors, different from different sectors. Let it be pharma, let it be petroleum. We are picking. That means I'm not speaking about me. I'm speaking about NSE. They pick the best companies, the best 50 companies which are representing a particular sector. And Nifty launched in April 22, 1996. The base date when we are calculating a particular index. Index means something which shows or indicates the flow. There must be certain base, and that base date is November 3rd, 1995, and the base value is 1,000 points. Remember this one. 1,000 point is the base value of Nifty, and in case of BSE Sensex, it is 100 points. So we have predefined a base that is 1,000 points, and calculating frequently In each fraction of second, the movement we can see. So now let us go through the calculation. We can't take all these 50 companies because the calculation will be huge and it will be take time to understand also. So I have taken only 10 companies. So for that reason, I have decided imagination. चले जाइए, imagination. I have decided to start a index on my own. That is, this is NSE. I have just copied it and I have prepared Satya Stock Exchange SSE. And for that reason, I have taken 10 sectors and 10 companies. From each sector is one company. From IT, I have taken Infosys. From oil and gas, Reliance. From consumer goods, Tata Consumer. Automobiles के लिए हमने पिक किया हीरो. Metals, Hindalco. Pharma, Sun Pharma. Banking, SBI. Cement, Ultratech. Telecom, Bharti Airtel. And in power, I have taken NTPC. So these 10 stocks are going to decide the index value. The changes of index value will be affected by these 10 stocks. Just a Nifty 50, SSE or Satya Stock Exchange 10. So now let us take the share values. These are the values of particular share and the number of shares means, as we know, we are using free float capitalization method, market capitalization. So number of shares getting floated inside the market, that will create the valuation. So here 800, it is an imaginary value, it can be 8 lakhs, 8 crore shares, whatever it is, but I have taken 800 shares. That means in that particular stock exchange, Satya Stock Exchange, only 800 shares are getting traded. So Infosys का 800 शेयर, रिलायंस का 1000 शेयर, टाटा कंज्यूमर का 2000 शेयर, हीरो मोटोकॉर्प का 700 शेयर, हिंदाल्को का 2500 शेयर, सन फार्मा का 3000 शेयर, एसबीआई का 2300 शेयर, so on. Then we have to calculate market capitalization. What is that? Market capitalization means the number of shares floated multiplied to the share value. So 800 into 17 will get this. So on, if we multiply the number of shares to price, we will get the market capitalization for each and every share. Now, for that particular moment, the total market capitalization will be 1,64,26,640. Correct? What we have decided? We have decided the base index value should be 1000. And now we have to calculate the weightage. And points should be 1000. We have to calculate weighted points. So before going to weighted points, let me calculate weight first. To calculate weight, what is the market capitalization of Infosys? It is 13,66,400. That means 13,66,400 divided by 16,42,6,6,4,0 will get the weightage. For each and every company, the market capitalization for particular share divided by total market capitalization of that particular moment. This is the weightage. And weighted points matlab we have to multiply 1000 to it. We'll get weighted points. For each and every company, we'll get the weighted points, and whole of the weighted points, you can see it will be 1000 as you have decided earlier. On the base day, the value of market will be 1000 points. Now on second day, market will not remain the same. As we know, the stock value will be changing according to the demand and supply, and price will be definitely changed. So we can see here the price on 26th of October, the price of particular stocks has been changed. Those stocks are in green, that means they have advanced. Those stocks are in red, that is declined. Some stocks are advanced, some stocks are declined. Now, the same way we have to calculate the number of shares are floating, market capitalization for each share, just multiplication of price and number of shares will get these values. And now the total market capitalization of 26th October will be 1,65,07,040. Our base market is previously we have calculated 1,64,26,640, and our base index value is 1000. Weighted points calculate करके we can get the value, or else the formula is for that one. Total market capitalization new divided by total market capitalization base multiplied to base index value. We'll get 1004.8944. If we'll add weighted points also, we'll get this value. So this is the way the market index is moving up or down. So if some stocks are going up or some stocks are going down, according to the weightage of that particular stock, it will impact the market. So we have to be careful. We have to understand the weightage of the stock, how it is reacting to the, how it is affecting to the market. We should understand, and we have to invest accordingly. So I hope you understand how this market movement happens, how these waves are created, how these fluctuations are created. So I hope it is clear to all of you. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in chat box. You are free to ask. And if you have any kind of questions or whatever it is, you can just write over there. I'll come with a new concept. The next video will come with a new concept. Till then, thank you. Thank you for watching.